To build financial models, you will need to develop the following skills. Excel Finance Modeling Application Excel. This skill is fairly easy to master to a sufficient level. You will need to learn Excel interface and features, frequently used Excel formulas, techniques to complete typical modeling tasks, methods to import and handle data in Excel. There are plenty of good tutorials on the web. If you prefer books, everything from John Wachenbach is solid, i.e., Excel 2010 Bible, John Wachenbach. Note, it's important to understand that financial modeling is not about Excel, it's about finance and modeling. Knowledge of Excel itself is just a basic prerequisite. Finance. You will need to know accounting and corporate finance, financial analysis, understanding financial statements, making adjustments, calculating ratios, valuation techniques. This book is a quality source for all of the above: business analysis and valuation using financial statements. Krishna Palepu for valuation analysis specifically. Use these. What is the best book to learn about valuation? Modeling. Modeling is a distinct skill. Don't confuse it with Excel, which is just an environment for modeling. The most important talent a modeler needs is the ability to simplify complex things without losing their essence. In addition, to be a good modeler, you need to know how to acquire and manage data for your models, from databases and data feeds such as Capital IQ or FactSet. Structure your models so that they are transparent and can be easily maintained. Learn to separate inputs, logic and outputs. Model typical financial concepts, discount rates, risks, free cash flows, etc. A good book to start: Building Financial Models, John Gia. Application. You will need to apply the above skills to specific problems. For example, if you work for an investment fund, your application will depend on the investment strategy of the fund, private equity, stock investing, venture capital, etc., and your target industry. A good approach is to ask your teammates for model samples, ideally from the past deals, and study them until you understand every cell.